Welcome to another day. Today is Sunday and it's the last full day that I have with my parents. So we're gonna go out for brunch now. I haven't filmed from earlier this morning, but yeah, we're chilling at my sister's house now and we're gonna head out soon. So we have just finished up brunch and everything. We are exploring this area. Surprisingly, it's actually really close to where our hotel is. So yeah, we're heading home now to relax and then we're gonna meet our family in about an hour and then go out to this really awesome restaurant my sister booked for us. So yeah. One of my favorite things about Budapest is the architecture, and this road that we have been walking on right now is the most beautiful thing I've actually seen. It's gorgeous here. The time is 5:35 and I'm gonna get myself ready for dinner. I obviously need to touch up my hair because it's crazy. And just retouch some makeup as well. And we're going to this really awesome like outdoor indoor garden dinner sort of place. It seems to be like Mediterranean food, which I am a huge fan of, so I'm sure that I will find something that I really like. But yeah, it's nice to have a final dinner with everyone together. So I have just done my hair up in a ponytail like this. I'm just gonna touch up my makeup. I mean, we'll talk a little bit about the experience of Budapest so far. I mean, the weather today is not the best, so I was actually quite cold today. Kind of like rainy and gray as well, but that's fine. I've been here before, but tomorrow we're definitely going to be going out and doing a lot more things since the weather is going to clear up. So we will probably go to Margaret Island, try to do one of those like boat tours as well. We'll see what we get up to. I mean, I did make a plan about what we were going to do on this trip and stuff. But you know, things always change, but at the end of it, we will have visited everywhere that I had like intended to go to. So I also do get really exhausted after like traveling and walking around so much. So it's also nice to sort of have like that day in between where you can just take it easy, walk around the streets. I mean, that's what we did today. We just ended up somewhere and then walked around, and I think that is the best way to really see a city as well and truly see how people are living and like immerse yourself in the culture and stuff. So we've had a lot of fun doing that today. It's a really nice city, and the good thing about it is that it's so close to London as well, so it doesn't feel like a hectic trip to take. Yeah, we flew directly here with Wizz Air, and yeah, so you can definitely do this as a weekend trip.
Think about the t-shirt? Nice shirt, but I don't like it.
back at the hotel now after having dinner. It was super delicious. This is sort of my favorite type of thing to eat. I love ordering like a bunch of small dishes and just sharing, and hummus of course is amazing, and this was great. So we had a lovely last dinner with my family. They are going back to my sister's apartment now because they have an early flight tomorrow and she's starting school again. So just getting themselves sorted. We're gonna go back to we are at the hotel right now. We're just gonna watch a movie on our iPad and have a glass of wine or something. So yeah.
Wait, you actually think it's 2003?
So I'm starting the vlog a little bit later today. It's about 4. We have just been rushing and sort of relaxing as well and not filming much content, but we were at the spa earlier today and now we're going to explore the ruins before we meet my sister, and we have a boat trip planned as well. About to get on a boat. We just had dinner, so this is the Prosecco and lemonade boat, and we're gonna be going on for like an hour and a half. We had dinner and now we're walking over. So yeah, we get to see the sunset. It's actually really beautiful, and then we get to see the Parliament in the dark as well. Super excited.
We had a boat tour for an hour and a half, and my goal was to get 10 drinks, 10 glasses. This is my 6th, I have 4 more, and I have about 20 minutes left.